Why, hello, friends. Welcome back to the Shabby Rose. I am so excited to share with you this box from this past month. Yes, I have not gotten to this box until the very last day of February. This is actually Maniology's box for Valentine's Day, and it is all about kitty cats, books, and coffee. And you know what? I have struggled with trying to find a design to do with this box. And so you're going to come with me as I try and work this design out. It was interesting. This powder art pen was really fun, and I got into it right away because it reminded me of the Madame Glam powder pens, and it worked very well. The one thing I found out with this powdered pen is that you would want to have a jelly stamper just to do the powdered pen with. And as I scraped it and got the design up, it actually worked out really well. I'm not sure how reverse stamping with the powdered pen might do. And I'm going to demonstrate it real quick for you here how it's done. Take your jelly stamper. This is where you probably want a jelly stamper just for this. And then you just place it right over your design, and it worked beautifully. Look at that. It looks like it's embossed. It's beautiful. I like that so much. You could do so much with this pen. So here are the plates. They are so cute. I love the theme of cats and books and coffee. There's even images for tea. If you're not into coffee, you have tea, and they are just so adorable. Coffee cups and books where you just want to curl up by the fire and enjoy a soft, cuddly kitty cat on your lap, and coffee. What could be more perfect? So these are the nails that I used. They're from Marquette, and I think what I should do is downsize my ideas. I had way too many nails here. I wanted to do a complete set, but I think I burnt myself out by using so many nail tips. So this is from Wet n Wild. I like this nail polish. It dries fast. And this is I Love a Latte. So coffee theme again. I love the color, and it's self-leveling. I've used this bottle so much. I think I'm gonna have to get another one, but it worked out really well. So since I'm allergic to certain gels, I'm using nail polish, and that's, I think, where my downfall is, because I don't have enough patience for nail polish, even if it does dry fast. It's just, I mess it up, and once you mess up, you have to redo the whole nail again. I got so spoiled with gel, realizing that you could mess up the base. You couldn't mess it up. You could use acetone, wipe off your mistakes, and then you could do it again. Not with this. You have to redo the nail all over again. So the sticky base coat has to be my friend. I have to remember to use it, and I forget so many times, because once you do reverse stamping, your paint dries, and then when you try to put it on the nail, it won't stick. And I love reverse stamping. I do it all the time, and it's very time consuming. And to put that much time into an image, painting it, making it colorful, and then you stick it on the nail and it doesn't work, it is so like disheartening. I'm like, what? So I did my best. Here are the books and the coffee cups, and yes, this is your friend for reverse stamping, but you have to let it dry. That's the thing. You have to let it dry, let it get tacky. There's a fine line, because then if you don't wait, it will smush your image, and it will like slide your image, and it will ruin everything. I don't wait long enough. So I wanted this coffee cup, and it said, like, I forget what it said on it. Sometimes the words are so delicate you can't pick up all the words. So I just ran with it. I got too frustrated trying to keep on stamping it over and over again. And then I had to remember to float the paint over the words because then it will smudge. And I smudged it. And I am working with one paintbrush because I had to get rid of my other paintbrushes that had gel because I couldn't sterilize them enough. I kept on breaking out. So I am limited in my paintbrushes. My hands. I miss gel. I hope there is a gel out there that I can try that won't give me any reactions. I feel very sad about that, but that's okay. We'll see what we can do. And then here is that reversed image. And my camera is not focusing, but it's pretty. I like it. I think I waited long enough. Yes, it worked. It did not smudge. You have to have patience with letting that sticky base coat up. It's too dry. The sticky base coat turned out too dry. Look at that. I tried. I just smushed it on harder. I was not giving up. I don't care. Get on there. I worked too hard to give up now. So here I am smushing it, trying to get it on. Maybe I should have just gave up and redid it. But I wanted the books and the coffee, and I gave up with those ones. So I did the best I could. It took time to do it. And it's like, oh. So since I had smushed the jelly stamper into that center image so much, it smeared. Yeah, like I said, this project was a hot mess. Here is a coffee cup on top of books, and the coffee cup had a face. Isn't that cute? And I used the pen on this image too, the powder pen, and it turned out embossed, but you can see the image, but it's kind of hard with the shine. I think it looks really cute. And this one says one more chapter. You know how you get to a good book and you're so engrossed in it that you just can't put it down, and you're saying one more chapter, just one more chapter, and it's like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. It's been a long time since I picked up a book and actually fell in love with it that much to where I said that to myself and stayed up all night. I haven't done that in a long time. So these plates have inspired me to maybe pick up a book. These stickers from Shein are absolutely adorable. I love the nail stickers from Shein. Really good. And then look at this delicate image here. Isn't that beautiful? This one took forever to reverse stamp. And I forgot to use the sticky base coat on the nail. I did. I didn't mean to. It's just you get engrossed in your whole project and you forget one step. And then when you try to lay it down on the nail, it flops. It's beautiful while it lasted. And the creamy nail polish that they put in with this box was so good. I really like the colors that they put in this, that little purple periwinkle bluish type color. Yeah, there I am. I'm getting tired. I'm dropping things. And then this brick orangish brown. It's beautiful. They chose very good colors for this. There are 2 cats in this image, but by the time I put it on the nail, you can't tell that there's cats. They're just blobs. So that's the back. And then that is the front look. That's as pretty as it's going to get. It's going to get worse. Here I go. You should have wore it. Use a sticky base coat. Use it. Nope. Too late. This is how it turned out. Oh. I tried again. Putting it back there. I'm going to smush it. I'm just going to smush it on there. It's going to look. It's just going to have to. I didn't know what to do. I was like, man, I have to do it all over again. The complete nail, the color, everything. No, we're gonna keep smushing it. Keep smushing it. It's still a hot mess. Oh my goodness. It's terrible. I tried to save it, and it's saving. It's getting there. Just keep going. Maybe it'll stick. There, see? It's coming together. I'm trying to get all the pictures to line up, but it just looks like Lemony Snicket's of Unfortunate Events house that like fell apart. Yeah, her bookcase. And then, what is this one? Oh, the kitty cat's reading a book. Those were cute. They picked out some very cute etchings to pick up. These cats were so, one was in a blanket with his head against the pillow, and the other one's sitting on some books and with his legs crossed reading a book. So these ones turned out better because I did use the sticky base coat in this one. There you go. Another thing I found out, that if you do put blobs of nail polish on a napkin, it dries out very fast. So if you put your nail polish for reverse stamping on something plastic or metal, it will not dry or seep into the cloth as fast. I thought putting glitter on the cat might show through the other side and it would be kind of glittery. It didn't. I should have mixed the glitter in with that. So here's the sticky base coat. This is your friend for reverse stamping. And then you have to wait for it to dry. Patience. You have to have patience. These things take time. And I have just a small window of time to get a video done, edited, and uploaded. Because then I will go a whole month without doing anything. Because life, is busy. And so I do this at night, or I do it when I have windows of time throughout the day. These are also stickers from Shein. I like them. They're very 3D-ish. Roses and everything. I thought a necklace on the cat's neck might be really cute, but I think I really didn't need it. I was trying to improve. And then I put a rose next to the kitty cat, and the saying, can't judge a book by its cover, I think is what it said. Although I judge a lot of books by their cover. That saying has confused me for years because I always judge books by their cover. Alright. And here we had a break. I needed a break. I took the dog to the dog park with my daughter, and she had a blast. We enjoyed it. Alright. Oh. Ah. Alright, got the gate. Ready? Whee! Here we go. Yeah? You're excited? I'll open the door. Oh, demanding little thing, aren't you? Alright, here we go. Free Desi. So here is the finished results of playing around with these plates. I did not record everything. Sometimes the recording, having the phone in the way of the nails, makes it kind of hard to do both. So I just decided to finish it up. Get it done. It's not my best set. It is rather messy, but you get the general idea of what these plates can do, and the possibilities are endless. I enjoyed the cats and the books and the coffee and the tea, and I think I can do a whole lot more with this. I just did the best I could with what I had at the moment. Thank you for viewing the videos, watching, subscribing. I do this because it's fun, it's relaxing. Well, it's supposed to be relaxing. We do this because it's relaxing, right? Sometimes I wonder, but I love doing this type of art. It gives a nice outlet. So, after about 3 years on YouTube, this is what I do with my extra nails. I don't throw them away. I put them in my memory jar. And so each of those little designs, little canvases, go right into my memory jar. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.